so basically 3 videos and 1 full cord, 4 totes. We processed here with the Ditch Witch SK-1550 using a Halverson HWP-120. Pretty sure we're the first ones on the internet to run a processor on a mini skid like this. It just comes down to, like we said in the first video, 15.5 gallons a minute at 2850 psi or more with the case drain. It's not that I need the high flow, but a lot of times the 14-pin coupler comes with the high flow package, and then you definitely get the case drain on the high flow side of things with the skid steers and such. Yeah, I think it's going to be a nice new toy for the wood yard here. I think affectionately we're going to call it Sherman, since the undercarriage kind of looks like a Sherman tank. I don't know, we'll see what happens there, but this is the used unit that we have in stock. We're asking $9,500, and then a 120 new would be $11,850. A 140 is $17,600. A 150 is $22,800, and the big 160 is like $36,000, $37,000, depending how we option it. So give us a phone call if you get a chance. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Everything we have is also over on the website, shaverequipment.com, especially the log lift firewood bags are there for easy online ordering, and we'll ship them straight to your door. So again, we use everything that we sell. We do have some good finance options available too, so give us a phone call, shoot us an email. If you're watching this video, I'd really love to earn your business with that sales quote so we can have a one-on-one conversation about what equipment we have that could fit your need. So give us that phone call, shoot us an email. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.